Republican candidate for governor has been arrested for election fraud.
Police, stop right there. You're under arrest for tampering with the elections.
Oh my God. Stay tuned for more information as the story unfolds.
I want to be governor so that way I can get more stuff done and have more power.
I think you'll be a great governor, but the current governor is really good and popular with the people.
I do not like the current governor. What if I mess up the ballot so that way they can pick me as governor and not them? I'm Adam Kingston, and I will tell you how I would like to be governor. The current governor is fake and phony. They do not care about us and our safety and our health. But I, Adam Kingston, will work hard for all Georgians and will put bad people in jail. And whatever you need, I will write bills so the U.S. justice system can pass it for you. I have a plan to make sure that they vote for me.
I don't know, but whatever place we have vote, I'm in.
Okay, so one of the ballot places are closed and we gonna break in.
Aren't there security cameras in there?
Yes, but we gonna spray paint it.
How you gonna spray paint cameras? Do you have any spray paint?
Yes, do not worry about that. But the ballot closes at 3 p.m.
I don't know, but okay.
Okay, this is it. I will be victorious.
Now I'm having second thoughts about this.
Quit your whining. You wanted this to happen.
Can we just get it over with?